Hello, welcome back. In this video, we're going to investigate the continuity for the given piecewise function. As you see, each piece is a polynomial. This is 1/2 x plus 1 whenever x is less than or equal to 2. And then this piece is another polynomial, 3 minus x, whenever x is greater than 2. We have three conditions to check. The first condition is to check if f is defined at x equals 2. As you see, there is the equality sign here. That means for x equals 2, the function value is going to be 1/2 times 2 plus 1. So in other words, f of 2 is defined. And what is it? 1/2 times 2 is 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So we put a check mark here. And for number 2, we check the limit, but since it's a piecewise function, and then we have different types of functions in each side of 2, so we're going to look at the left and right limits. So we're going to look at the limit as x approaches 2 from the left, and the limit x approaches 2 from the right for f, obviously, but for this piece, I'm going to use, for this limit, I'm going to use the top piece here, 1/2 x plus 1. And for this one, I'm going to use the bottom piece, which is 3 minus x. Since both guys are polynomials, the limit would be just the function evaluation. So 1/2 times 2 plus 1 is equal to 2. And when you plug in 2 for x, you get 1. Well, unfortunately, the left limit is not equal to the right limit. At this moment, you can immediately conclude that the limit of the function as x approaches 2 does not exist. And that makes this function not continuous. So the function is not continuous at x equals 2. Okay? The function is not continuous at x equals 2. Is there any other x values for which f is discontinuous? Well, there's none, because as I said, if you are not talking about x equals 2 but any other x, then either function is a polynomial, and then polynomials are continuous functions. So x equals 2 is the only point for discontinuity. And if you graph the function, you can see this jump here. So on the right, you have 3 minus x, and on the left, you have 1/2 x plus 1. As you see, when you get closer to 2 from the left, and soon after you hit 2, well, the function is defined over there and the function value is 2. But then if you keep going on the right, so you see like there's a jump down, so there's a break or gap in the graph of f that makes the function discontinuous at x equals 2. All right, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.